Very good morning, class students. Our learning topic is statistics. So from that today I am going to explain how to find the mean by using deviation method. Yesterday I told there are three methods to find arithmetic mean. First, step deviation method. Second, deviation method. Third one, direct method. Yesterday we discussed about how to find the mean by using direct method. So today I am going to explain how to find the mean by using deviation method or assumed mean method. Deviation method. What is the formula to find the mean by using deviation method? Formula is a plus sigma fi di by sigma fi. What is the formula? A plus sigma fi di by sigma fi. What is the meaning of A? Assumed mean. And D is nothing but deviation. To find the D, we have to use formula xi minus A. So students, here is the question. 14.1 8th problem. Attendance recorded for 40 students. So this is the attendance of 40 students. Find the mean number of days a student was present. You have to find the mean attendance of the students. Here, number of days 35 to 38 and 38 to 41, 41 to 44, 44 to 47, 47 to 50, 50 to 53 and 53 to 56. And these are the number of students. Number of students is nothing but frequency. So to find the mean by using deviation method, I need the value of the x. What is the meaning of x? X is nothing but class marks. X is nothing but class marks. How to find the class marks? Class marks is nothing but average of the class. What is the average? Sum of the observations by number of the observations. Average is nothing but mean. Here, what is the mean of this 35 and 38? To find the mean of 35 and 38, add 35 plus 38 by 2. 35 plus 38 by 2. 35 plus 38 how much? Is nothing but 73. 73 by 2. 35 plus 38 is nothing but 73 by 2. Now divide the 73 by 2. It is nothing but 36.5. What is the value of the x? 36.5. To find this also, 38 plus 41 by 2 is nothing but 79 by 2 is equal to 39.5. See here, 35 to 38, 38 to 41, 41 to 44, 44 to 47, 47 to 50 and 50 to 53. What is the increase in here? 3. So that increasing value is same in each and every class. So here also 36 plus 3, 39. Then after 39 plus 3, 42.5. 42 plus 3, 45.5. Next 48.5. Next 51.5. Next 54.5. So what are the class marks here? 36.5 and 39.5 and 42.5 and 45.5 and 48.5 and 51.5 and 54.5. So these are the class marks. To find the D, you have to take one assumed mean. So here, what is the highest frequency? 11 is the highest frequency. The highest class mark of highest frequency I am taking as assumed mean. Class mark of highest frequency I am taking as assumed mean. Then after to find the what is the formula? Xi minus A. Xi minus A. In this box, what is the x? 36.5. 36.5 minus what about A? A is nothing but 54.5. How much you will get? 36.5 minus 54.5. By subtracting, you will get minus 18. Then after 39.5 minus 54.5, you will get minus 15. Then after 42.5 minus 54.5, you will get minus 12. Then after 45.5 minus 54.5, you will get minus 9. Then after 48.5 minus 54.5, you will get minus 6. Then after 51.5 minus 54.5 is equal to minus 3. Then after 54.5 minus 54.5 is equal to 0. Okay? What is the process? From the class mark, you may take any one value as assumed mean. What is the highest frequency here? 11 is the highest frequency. The class mark of highest frequency column I am taking as assumed mean. Next, what I need? I need deviation. To find the deviation, what is the formula? Xi minus A. So what are the d values? Minus 18, minus 15, minus 12, minus 9, minus 6, minus 3 and 0. Next, what I need here? Fi and Di. So to find the Fi and Di, you have to multiply the frequency and also deviation values. Here, 1 into minus 18. Next, 3 into minus 15. Next, 4 into minus 12. Next, 4 into minus 9. Next, 7 into minus 6. Next, 10 into minus 3. Next, 11 into 0. Minus 18, minus 45, minus 48, minus 36, minus 42, minus 30 and 0. Next, sigma Fi Di is nothing but minus 219 and sigma Fi is equal to 40. So from the table, what is the value of A is equal to assumed mean. I took 54.5 as a assumed mean. So A is equal to 54.5. Sigma Fi is equal to 40. That is the data of 40 students. Then after sigma Fi Di is equal to minus 219. What is the formula to find mean? Mean is equal to A plus sigma Fi Di by sigma Fi. A means 54.5 plus whatever the sigma Fi Di minus 219 by 40. So cut the 0 and take one decimal. Next 4 5s are 20, 1 remaining. 4 4s are 16, 3 remaining. 4 7s are. It is nothing but 54.5 minus 5.47. Now subtract 5.47 from 54.5. You will get the answer 49.03. It is nothing but 49 days. So what is the average attendance? 49 days. See here. Next question and very important missing frequency question. Mean of following distribution is 80. So mean of this distribution is 80. You have to find the value of the missing frequency. 14.1 third problem. Here daily allowances 11 to 13, 13 to 15, 15 to 17 and frequency 7, 6, 9, 13, 8.5 and 4. You have to find the value of the year from this table. What is the mean of this one? 80. Here, mean of the frequency distribution is equal to 18. There. Next, what I need? I need class marks. That is nothing but X. What is the process to find class marks? You have to find the average of class. Here, 11 to 13 means 11 plus 13 by 2 is equal to 24 by 2 is equal to 12. Then after 13 plus 15 by 2 is equal to 28 by 2 is equal to 14. See, 11 to 13, 13 to 15, 15 to 17, 17 to 19, 19 to 21, 21 to 23. So what is the increasing value here? 2. So 14 plus 2, 16, 16 plus 2, 18, 18 plus 2, 20, 20 plus 2, 22, 22 plus 2, 24. Then after, now I need the value of d. D is nothing but deviation. So di is equal xi minus a. Then to find d, first I need assumed mean value. So here what is the highest frequency? 13 is the highest frequency. Class marks are highest frequency I am taking as assumed mean. So from the class marks you have to take any one as assumed mean. But I am taking the assumed mean according to highest frequency. So class mark of highest frequency column I am taking as assumed mean. So here what is the assumed mean? 18 is the assumed mean. Then what I need? xi minus a. What is the value of the x? 12. Minus a means 18 is equal to minus 6. Then after 14 minus 8 is equal to minus 4. Then after 16 minus 8 is equal to minus 2. Then after 18 minus 18 is equal to 0. 20 minus 18 is equal to 2. 22 minus 18 is equal to 4. Then after 24 minus 18 is equal to 6. Next I need Fi and Di. So I need the product of frequency and also deviation. So in this box, what is the frequency? 7. So in this column, what is the frequency? 7 and the deviation 6. 7 6 are 42 minus 42. 6 into minus 4, 6 4s are 24 minus 24. 9 2s are 18. 13 into 0, 0. 2 into f, 2f. 5 4s are 20. 4 6s are 24. Next, I need sigma fi. Sigma fi means sum of frequency. 7 6 9 13 4 5 5 4. So we can add all these numbers except f. Now 4 plus 5 9. 9 plus 13 22. 22 plus 9 31. 31 plus 6 37. 37 plus 7 44. So sigma fi is nothing but 44 plus f. Next what I need? Sigma fi di. First you have to add the negative values on one side. 40 plus 20 is 60. 60 plus 1 70. 84 minus 84. 20 plus 24 44. So it is minus 84 plus 44 plus 2f. Sigma fi di is equal to 40 plus 2f. Sigma fi is equal to 44 plus f. What is the formula? Mean is equal a plus sigma fi di by sigma fi. What is the mean? Already there is question. What is the 8? So 18 is equal. What is the assumed mean? 18 is the assumed mean. 18 plus sigma fi di, how much? Minus 40. Minus 40 plus 2f by 44 plus f. Here 18 minus 18 is equal minus 40 plus 2f by 44 plus f. Plus 18 minus 18 0. So 0 into 44 plus f is equal to minus 40 plus 2f. 0 and something 0. 0 is equal to minus 40 plus 2f. Then 40 is equal to 2f. F is equal to 20. So what is the missing frequency here? 20 is the missing frequency. This is one of the important problem from this chapter. So the questions, here is today's homework. find the mean of the following distribution: number of oranges and number of baskets. You have to find the mean of this table by using deviation method.